In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually log call activity in Hubspot. Logging call activities is crucial for maintaining up-to-date and accurate records of your interactions with clients. It helps you keep track of communication and ensures that you have all the necessary information at your fingertips to provide excellent customer service. So let's dive right in. First, you want to navigate to the Hubspot homepage. This is the central hub for all your activities and features, so having it bookmarked for easy access might be a good idea. Once you're on the homepage, look for the login button and give it a click. You'll need to enter your credentials, so make sure you have them ready. After a successful login, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot homepage, which is where all the action happens. The next step involves accessing the CRM functionalities that HubSpot offers. From the home interface, locate and click on the CRM tab. This will direct you to where you manage your customer relationships, contacts, and activities. The CRM is a valuable tool as it keeps everything organized in one place, making it easier to manage and streamline your work processes. Once you are in the CRM section, look for the Contacts option. Clicking on Contacts will take you to an overview of all your listings. Here you can filter, sort, and manage your database of contact information. This is where you'll select a particular contact to log call activity for. Choose a contact whose interaction details you wish to update. It might be helpful to search for the contact if your list is extensive. After you've selected a contact, you'll see a three-dot icon on their profile or at the top of the page. This icon typically represents additional options, so go ahead and click on it. Within the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option labelled Log a Call. Selecting this will open up a new form or activity, log environment, where you can input details about your recent conversation or call with the contact. Make sure to fill out the form with all relevant information such as the date of the call, the person you spoke to, the duration, and any key takeaways or notes from the conversation. It's a good practice to be as detailed as possible to ensure clarity and to provide context for future reference. This documentation can be invaluable not only for you, but also for your team members who might need to see the history of interactions with a particular contact. In wrapping things up, remember that logging call activities in HubSpot is a straightforward yet vital task that enhances communication management and client relationship strategies. Making this a regular part of your routine will undoubtedly help streamline your workflow and maintain the integrity of your clients' data. Thank you for watching, and happy logging.